We're excited to offer over 50 hands-on courses in 2024. Choose between our traditional live in-person format or our blended format that incorporates 15 months of unlimited access to a comprehensive online course, plus in-person hands-on scan workshops. Registering for our 2024 courses has never been easier. Register online at www.gcus.com or contact us at learn@gcus.com. We'll be with you every step of the way to answer all your questions and assist with your registration, travel, and discounts on accommodations. All Gulfcoast Ultrasound faculty members are experts in the specialty in which they're teaching. You will immediately implement the skills learned into clinical practice while expanding your diagnostic and interventional services that you'll be able to offer. We are in the heart of downtown St. Petersburg, Florida, and steps from the world-famous St. Pete Pier. From a thriving bar and restaurant scene to world championship sports teams, theme parks, museums, beautiful beaches, parks, and waterways, you'll be asking yourself, maybe I should move to St. Petersburg. Over the last 2 decades, we've been developing our accredited activities into online courses, webinars, virtual conferences, training videos, and CME Vitals. Not as exciting as attending a live Gulfcoast course, but all the awesome content. You'll find that most of our in-person courses are also offered as comprehensive online courses with 12 months of unlimited access. If you decide to add a hands-on scan workshop, you'll receive an additional 3 months of online course access for free. As demand for virtual conferences have risen, we have incorporated virtual conferences for some of our live courses when being in person is not necessary. A list of all virtual conferences are listed on our website at www.gcus.com. All 2024 courses offer advanced registration discounts to anyone who registers 30 days before the course start date. We're also happy to offer a 5% discount for 2 or more people from the same facility attending the same program. You can be a dream team. Don't delay. Reach out today.